doing it, you should say, well, at
The
least there's a
destination is on your right.
silent.
1951 Swamp Drive.
It's on my right.
Arrived.
51. We're here.
Oh, I love it here.
Is it here?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Wait, let me grab a flashlight.
Oh, no, it's
It's a battle zone. And it's right here.
So I'll show you.
Is it?
They went down this train, and this is the access point. So it's just literally just you know,
Yeah.
a ladder.
Did you hear them?
Yeah, I just heard something. They must
Now
be
the thing is, the thing that we have to be
Look, Loreta. Loreta. Okay, it's a giant pipe, which is to our advantage.
Okay, good.
Look at it. Look.
Do you want us to videotape this?
I don't know, that's fine. Okay, Lorchik, come on, let's focus.
What is
Let's focus, come on.
They're going to freak out.
Look.
Oh, fantastic. Okay,
Okay,
let's
it's
just
actually good.
At least they were.
Great. I was in the army for 3 years. It sounds like... Oh my God.
They're more obnoxious than ever for some reason.
Because everybody's bored out of their minds. No, I think everybody's
And
bored.
it's also, I think,
Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, let's see. I can see the ducks. Oh yeah, look at them.
Oh, you can see them.
Yeah. You see them, Loretta?
they're swimming.
They're swimming.
Happy.
They're swimming in the
Okay,
filthy
perfect.
water.
Oh, good. I'm glad they're not.
Here's one of our friends.
they got scared.
This is a crazy fall too. This is a okay. Let's open. Come on, let's go. Let's do it.
We have a big old
It's so heavy.
we're getting.
Oh, here, you know what? Here, I got it.
Oh, he's got
Okay, watch
There it
out.
is.
I'm gonna. Oh,
It's not gonna fall in there.
yeah, luckily, because I wouldn't be able to pick it up. Oh, I see them. Loretta, they're going down this way.
They're going that way. That's the way you want to get them to go.
Flashlight, big flashlight, and you come down right after me, okay, Loretta?
Okay, hold on. Let me just.
This net, and we go. Where are you going?
They ran farther back. They ran way back there.
Yeah. Where's Loretta? Loretta, come on. We need the cage and the net. What? Okay, give me. Drop it. Let's go.
Wait.
Drop. I got it. Drop. I hope you don't love your shoes. I hope you don't love your shoes. That's too bad. Grab a net. That's all you need, Loretta.
Where's the net?
Just a little net. And take off both of them and run with me, okay?
Where are they?
All the way at the end. I don't know if it's a dead end.
Okay, I know, but you know what we should get? We should get the big one and put it here so they don't go back.
They won't be able to. I'll catch them. Ready? No, we have to go in the water. I don't want this.
Am I taking the crate with me?
Nope.
No?
No. Let's try to walk like this. I'm in the water. It's okay. Just walk in the water. Don't try to not get wet. There's no point.
Do you see them?
Yeah. Follow me. Oh my God. You okay?
Yeah. It's so gross.
I know.
This is not fun. Where are they? Oh
Loreta, you okay?
no. I'm very claustrophobic.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh my god, something's crawling up my pants. Oh my god.
The mud gets deeper here. Okay, this is a nightmare.
Why? Where are
It
they?
gets much deeper, much farther. We are
Why?
we are
Where are they?
wait, I have an idea.
That's why we should have gone in 2 holes.
Too late.
Babe, I'm getting really sick.
Wait. I'm gonna find Duck Mama. I have no reception here.
I need to come out. I feel really sick.
Come up here. Come up here, I'll push this. I will lift this.
I need to get out.
Okay, come on, Loreta. Can we lift this thing up? I'm going to lift it. I'm going to lift it. Can you please pull it? Okay. It's just dirt, Loreta. Okay, go outside, Loreta. Find the next hole. Okay? Okay. Okay, put her down. No, leave the nets here for me. Go.
I dropped topics down there.
Loreta, go find me the next hole, okay? Oh, I know. Settings. Sounds. There must be a duck. Yes, I know there's a duck.
Did they turn a corner?
They're coming to me.
Babe?
Yeah? Lorchik? My God, you're far away.
Oh my god, there's a huge spider here.
Don't.
Loreta,
Yeah?
keep pushing them and they'll get to me.
What?
I can see you. And they're between us. They're exactly between us.
Where I can hear them. There's a lot of them. I really want to catch them.
Oh my God. I don't think it's impossible to see, but Loreta is on her knees.
Oh, spider webs. Oh!
Just scream, keep screaming. They'll come to me. Call them, just scream.
Hey! Come on!
Loreta, just breathe slowly. Breathe slowly.
Oh my god, I hate this.
I can't have you freak out there. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're almost there. Amazing.
I can't do this anymore.
No, you're good. good, you're good. Come on. 2 more minutes and we'll have the ducks safe with us.
Where are they?
Yeah, we do. Thank you.
How far are you? Oh my god. Can you have one of the guys go down on the first hole and get out the crate and give it to you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Keep talking. They're coming. They're coming to me. I'm gonna put a net on them. Can I please get the crate?
Baby, it's inside.
I know. They'll figure it out.
I can't do this.
Keep going. You're gonna get to me, and then you can come out from here. You're amazing. I can't believe you crawled all this distance.
I can't breathe.
Come on, it's the most exciting 4th of July ever.
Not for me. My legs hurt.
You're almost there. Almost there. Oh, I love it. I have your reflection in the sewer water.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look. They're walking into my net.
Yeah.
Look, keep pushing them. And in a second, I'll have all of them.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
In a second, I'll have all of them. And I got all of them.
You're kidding.
Look.
Eldad has all the ducklings in the net.
Look, Loreta.
Babies.
I just prayed, by the way. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. You guys are like undefeated.
Uh-oh. Oh, let's drop it. Yes. Good, thank you. Uh-oh. Okay. So, I'm actually going to hand the ducks to you. Loreta, go ahead. You go out first, and I'll hand them to you.
Loreta is claustrophobic, but she's still down there covered in mud.
Oh my God.
He's got, I told you they could do it. My daughter was so worried. I knew you could. Loreta, you are my hero, facing your fears for these precious ducklings. Oh my gosh.
I have never been more scared in my life.
Okay, ready?
Precious babies.
Okay, I'm coming out.
So you can... a net full. How many? Do we have all 5?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Eldad, you are like my hero. Loreta.
So funny.
You guys are the dream
That is
team.
amazing.
So now we'll discuss our next steps.
Yes.
Yep.
Figure out the next plan. Okay, good.
This has a manhole before we...
Yeah. We need to close all of them. I don't want anyone falling.
So carefully.
So I need somebody to close the door in between them.
Okay, no, here. I'm going to be here with my hand. Luckily, there's no flying happening yet.
Okay. It's okay. It's in good condition.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are.
we're good.
I told us Loreta and Eldad maybe we should wait till the morning. We need to come now.
Oh my God, they're so beautiful. Here, you want to go in there? You want to look?
There's raccoons.
I know. It's amazing. This is our first. It's our first
I know.
duckling rescue in the sewer.
You guys are home for Paws. These guys don't have paws. I still do. I said, yeah.
Kick it in his front.
Is the other one closed?
Kept
Yeah,
me
well,
warm.
Thank you. Afraid someone will fall
You got
in.
his tool? His
I'm
little-
also
like that's almost on your hands and knees crawling through there. Like this one, I was able to just like hold up on the walls and go through.
Oh wait, we're in Costa Mesa. We're next to the mall. We can buy new shoes. Oh wait, it's closed. It's the middle of the night.
What size do you wear?
Let me see.
And they were quiet all night too. It seemed like they slept very
That's
Oh.
awesome.
Would you give them a bath?
Yes.
That's adorable. Thank you.
Stand over by the wash table.
Yeah, they look really healthy so
Yeah.
far. They're all chirpy